Hello everyone. Welcome to the CRM Essentials course. In the last lesson, we learned about tasks. In this lesson, we will be learning about calendar. A calendar refers to a tool used to record and track customer-related activities and appointments. This includes scheduling sales visits, customer phone calls, product demos, and other interactions with customers. The calendar can also be used to remind the sales team of important deadlines and events. You can see that calendar include the following main features: view calendar, add task, month view, year view. To view and add tasks through the calendar in a CRM system, you can navigate to the calendar view where tasks are displayed. Tasks with due dates will appear on the calendar on their respective dates, allowing you to see an overview of upcoming tasks. To add a task through the calendar, you can typically click on the New Task button to navigate to New Task page. By using the calendar to view and add tasks, you can easily manage your tasks within the context of your schedule. This integration of tasks with the calendar provides a convenient way to plan and organize your work efficiently. Next, let's create the data structure. First, create a new sheet. Name it F3-2 Calendar. Change the title to F3-2 Calendar as well. The calendar has two views. First, there is the month view, followed by the year view. Then we need a new task. In both the month view and year view, we need a task list, a new task, and a view task details. Based on the data structure, we will create a prototype. First, duplicate a page and rename it to Calendar. Delete all elements. Then, we will select the Arco library. We will use the calendar component from this library to prototype. This library is available for purchase at axureboutique.com. We recommend having your own library. Break away the Date View button's dynamic panel. Then, add a New Task button. Create a task tag on the date. We will create more task tags. Next, add a new state to the dynamic panel in the top right corner. Adjust the position and text of the buttons. Rename the states to Month View and Year View, respectively. In the Year View, add an indicator below a date to show that there are tasks on that date. Then, add a hotspot on the date. Next, we will create a date list pop-up. We need a pop-up title, 2 task tags, a close button, and an OK button. Then, create them as a dynamic panel and name it February 3rd. Add interaction to the hotspot to show the dynamic panel. Add click interactions to the close button and OK button to hide the dynamic panel. Set the dynamic panel to be hidden. Duplicate more elements. Add a click interaction to New Task to navigate to the New Task page. Add a click interaction to the task title to navigate to the Task Details page. Then, adjust the page position. Go to the Frame page. Add a click interaction to the calendar navigation to open the calendar page in an inline frame. Preview the prototype. Click the calendar navigation to open the calendar page. Click the task tag to go to the task details page. Click the New Task button to go to the New Task page. Click the Year button to switch to the year view. Click a date to open the task list pop-up. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.